Hello, my name is Jim Olsen. This is the second of two videos. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare for Church Website Workshop number 1. I'm going to be going over to my website, churchwebsites.drjimo.net. Here we are at the website, churchwebsites.drjimo.net, and I'm on the home page. Just a quick reminder of the overall process of the training here. The orientation and overview is online. Then there's workshop 1, which is a face-to-face workshop that I'm offering here in Western Illinois. And then about 5 weeks later is website building workshop 2, which I'll also be offering in Western Illinois. In the first video, we looked at the orientation and overview, and I encouraged you to look at this website. Now what I'd like to do is talk about how to prepare for the first website workshop. There's 2 documents here, and these are Google Docs. This first one is people your church needs to make and maintain a website, and I'll let you open that up on your own. And this one is the basic information you need for your church website. And I think I'll go ahead and show how this Google Doc works. Okay, I'm going to click on this document here called Basic Information You Need for Your Church Website. And this is a Google Doc, and this little blue icon indicates that we're in Google Docs. And you're going to want to download this and edit this and save it and bring the information to the first workshop. The first way you can do it is to download it into your Google Docs. So the first thing you'll need to do is to sign in to your Google account. And then over here under File, you can make a copy. So we're going to make a copy. If you want to change the name, so maybe this is Industry United Methodist, for example, and hit OK. And then this is going to appear in your Google Docs and your Google Drive, and you can edit this. You come down here, what time is your worship service? 8:30 a.m., for example. And you type this information in. If you're doing it in the Google Docs, all changes are automatically saved to the drive. If you don't want to use Google Docs to edit your document, you can download it as a Word document. So let me demonstrate that process. So kind of repeating the process here on the orientation and overview page, the 2 documents that you want to download are right here. You click this and it opens up in Google Docs. Then up here under File, you can download as, and you can download this in a number of different formats. You can download it as Microsoft Word, and it's going to be stored for you, and it's going to go into your downloads folder. Depending on how which browser you're using, you'll access your downloads a number of ways. Your downloads will come up, and here's the basic information you need for your church website. Double-clicking that opens it up in Word, and you'll need to hit Enable Editing probably, and then you can type in your information. Of course, Word does not automatically save your document, so you'll want to do File and Save As, and save that in an organized place on your hard drive. Make sure that you bring this document in electronic form with you to the website workshop so that you can copy and paste into your website. We would like you to register for this workshop. Here on the website, come over to Website Workshop 1. and scroll down to the register area, and this is going to be a Google form, and you'll type in your information. The cost is $5, and you can either pay that the day of the workshop or mail it in. After reading through the website, if you have any questions, you can contact me. The information, my contact information is on the About page. This brings our second video of two to an end. As I mentioned in the last video, websites here in the 21st century are an important tool in the building up of the kingdom and the making of disciples for Jesus Christ. Have a great day.